Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Coimbatore location. Let us see what are the job openings available one by one. Let us discuss in detail. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for a government organization, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, and for Department Coimbatore, District Direct Recruitment. This is for post of Overseer and Junior Drafting Officer. Salary offered 35,400 to 1,12,400 per month, and this is for freshers. You can see there is a detailed information, and qualification is Diploma in Civil Engineering or BE in Civil Engineering. Number of vacancies available 17, and last date to apply is January 13, 2021 before 5:45 p.m. You can see selection procedure will be based on either written test or interview, and you can apply through the application available on the given website address www.ncs.gov.in and https slash colon slash slash coimbatore.nic.in. So one of any of the website addresses you can browse, and you can get the application form, and you can fill it, and you can apply for the same. So you can see these are all the details. If you face any problem in getting the information, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Focus Academy. They are looking for associate training. Job location will be Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. You should have a passion for teaching, and that is mandatory as per the company's norms. And you should have a technical skills like C, C++, Java, and data structures programming languages. And you should have very good skills in verbal and quantitative and logical ability also. You should be able to you should have ability and a drive to work. You should be able to conceptualize and design the content regarding the subjects, and you should be able to travel, and all BE and BTech specialization are eligible. If you have any engineering degree in any stream, all are eligible, and you should have a good aptitude skills also. And if you even if you have standing errors up to 2, you can also apply. So you are also eligible for the job role. You can go through the provided website address link and apply for the job. https slash colon slash slash focusacademy.freshtam.com/jobs. So if you just browse this website address, and you can apply for the job, you can find the link to apply, and you just click on the apply button, and you can get the job form, and you can fill it, and you can apply. Next, there is a job openings for coding evangelist for the same organization, Focus Academy. You can see they have provided a few of the skills required like influencer and subject matter expert. You can check all these details, and you can go through the provided website address link, and you can get the more information regarding the job, and you can apply for the same. Next, there is a job openings for Acme Communication for the job role CCTV technician. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. Only male candidates eligible for the job role. And qualification, if you see, you should have knowledge of electrical and electronics field, and you should have experience in CCTV, and that is preferred. Freshers also eligible who have background knowledge of like electrical and electronics. So freshers also can apply. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is hrd@achmecommunication.com, and contact number is 8012555728. Next, there is a job openings for Resat Renewals Private Limited. They are looking for internship trainee position. Salary details not disclosed. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Qualification, if you see, any degree, and I have provided the address details, and your contact numbers are available here. You can check with the contact numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 0422434888 and 9578148884, and 9578048884. Next, there is a job openings for Wings of Fire. They are looking for process associates. Salary offered 2.1 lakhs to 5.2 lakhs a year based upon your skill set and experience. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, and qualification is any degree. I have provided the address details here, and I have included the contact number also. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 6382501645. Next, there is a job openings for Sion Tech Works Private Limited. They are looking for freelance tester. Salary details not disclosed. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role and should have experience in testing. I have provided the address details and a contact number also, and email ID is available. Contact number is 7540071053 and email ID is info@ceiyone.com. Next, there is a job openings for the same organization, Sion. They are looking for .NET developer. Freshers are eligible for the job role and up to 2 years of experience will be considered. Job location will be Coimbatore. You can contact on the given phone number, and there is also email ID available. You can share your resume. For contact number is 7540071053 and email ID is info@ceiyone.com. Next, there is a job openings for the same organization, Sion.com. They are looking for UI and UX designer and developer. Freshers are eligible. Up to 2 years of experience also will be considered. You should have a knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript and Photoshop knowledge, and you should have a technical skills like CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Angular. So all these tools knowledge is required. You can contact on the given phone number, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Contact number is 7540071053 and email ID is info@ceiyone.com. Next, there is a job openings for .NET team lead. Experience required minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and the organization is CO1. The contact number is 7540071053 and email ID is info@ceiyone.com. Next, there is a job openings for HI Acme Automations India Private Limited. They are looking for HC QC trainee position. Salary offered up to 9,500 a month. Both male and female candidates are eligible. Qualification if you see should be a fresher, diploma or ITI, and preferably mechanical engineering. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. I have also included the address details. Contact number is 0801501590. Next, there is a job openings for UNR Engineering Private Limited. They are looking for quality assistant position. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 18,000 a month based upon your experience and skill set. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Qualification if you see should be a diploma in mechanical engineering or BE with 2 to 3 years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 0422227135. Next, there is a job opening for Genius Engineering. They are looking for trainee production supervisor. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, and the qualification freshers should be having diploma. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. I have also included the address details here. You can check with that. Contact number is 042225618661. Next, there is a job openings for Akara Architects. They are looking for 3D designer. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. Both male and female candidates are eligible. Qualification if you see should have a BE in civil engineering. That would be added advantage, but that is not mandatory. Should have 1 year of experience in working with 3D architectural designs. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9400698000. Next, there is a job openings for Clanker. They are looking for sales executive. Qualification if you see should have a BSc or BE, MBA, BBA. All these qualifications are eligible, and you can check with the other qualification details, and should have a 1 year of experience as a sales executive. Sales experience should be there, and should have a knowledge of electronics based companies, like who have experience in electronic based companies are preferred. Should have a can do attitude, like you should have a self motivated and result oriented attitude. For all these things you can check with the other qualification details. If you browse the provided link, and you can apply for the job. Next, for the same organization, there is a job opening for CAD designer. You can see should have a 1 year of experience. You can see other details here. What are the qualification details? You can check with that, and you can browse the provided link, and you can apply for the same. You will be reverted back if they are in need of a particular job, you can just click on the apply button and you can apply for that same. There is a job openings for embedded programmer for the same organization, Clanker, and qualification BE or MSc. Should have a knowledge of programming skills and ARM processors knowledge. Should able to learn and quickly and willing to share knowledge as well. Should have a documentation skills also. So 1 year of experience up to will be considered. You can apply for the job browsing the like by browsing this provided address link. If you browse this, you can find the embedded programmer particular job and you can apply for the same. Next, there is a job opening for the same organization for production engineer. Qualification, if you see, should have a 10th or 12th or ITI diploma, all are eligible. And recommended qualifications should have a knowledge in electronics field in service or production or assemble and testing. Freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible for this job role. Next, there is a job openings for Qt programmer. You can apply for the job browsing this provided link. Should have a strong programming skills in C++ language and qualification if you see BE or MSc or computer applications. 1 year of experience is required and Qt is preferable, but that is not mandatory. You can check with the company also. You can find the contact details also on the given address details. You can, if you click on the contact, you can find the contact information also. So if you click on apply button, you can apply for the same. There is job openings for diploma candidates and freshers and experienced both candidates. They have vacancies for the locations Madurai, Tirunelveli, Salem, Kanchipuram, Tiruchi, and Coimbatore also. They have vacancies. Candidates can work from their hometown also, and you can check with the other details here. Clearly they have given. Interview will be held in their office, so you can apply for the same browsing the provided link. You can just apply click on the apply button and you can apply for the job. Next, there is a job openings for embedded programmer. Qualification is BE MSc. Should have a strong programming skills in PIC, and you should have a knowledge of documentation, and up to 1 year of experience is considered. You can apply for the job browsing the provided link. Next, there is a job openings for the same organization for a VB.NET level developer. Should have a BE or MCA MSc qualification. Should have a strong knowledge of VB.NET, C and C++ programming languages. Should have a documentation skills also. You can contact on the you can browse the provided link and you can apply for the job. You can find apply button and you can just click on the apply button and fill the form and apply for the job. Next, there is a job opening for the same organization for CRM executive position. Should have a good interactive and convincing skills for this job role, and should be able to build and maintain client relationships as well. Should have a highly self-motivated and result-oriented attitude. So you can browse the provided link and apply for the job. Next, there is a job openings for Android developer for the same organization. You should have a BE or ME, BSc or MSc computer science IT background qualifications. Should have a good knowledge of core Java programming language, and should have knowledge of Android GUI customization. Should have knowledge of Eclipse tool, and should have good communication skills and both verbal and written. So you minimum 1 year of experience and above is required. You can browse the provided link and apply for the job. You can find the category of Android developer and you can just click on apply button and you can apply. If you find any difficulty in application process, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I will be coming up with more updated job openings for Coimbatore location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings for Coimbatore location. Thank you so much for your love and support, and have a great day.